Here I have iPhone 14, and today I'm going to show you how to take a live photo on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this arrow here, tap not this, tap on this icon here, and here you can enable live photo. So now let's take live photo. Okay, I took some of them just to show you an example. So like live photos works the way that when you open them in gallery, it seems like it's just like normal still picture, yeah, but if you hold your finger on it like this, it moves. Unbelievable, yeah. And it goes for every other live photo. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.